How's it going, everyone? Back at the shop today again, obviously getting some more work done on the Camaro, and you can actually see we got a subframe connector under there. I just wanted to kind of go ahead and try to get them put into place before I started up, just so I got to get a good idea of what I was doing. So back there we got this one bolted onto the lower control arm right there. That comes up. I did have to move the pinch weld over a little bit. I don't know if it's because the frame's been bent or if it's just how these are made. And then I got it jacked up right here. You can maybe tell fitment isn't the greatest. There's a little bit of a gap there, but I think it'll work. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get both of these fit up into place real quick, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, so we got this thing kind of fitted up here. So you can see we got this kind of ground all the way around, and then ground the bracket that it's going to. And then we'll go ahead, let's see how well I can show this. We'll go ahead and try to weld a little bit right here too. And then up front, you can see that's all ground down, so we'll try to weld that too. I'm not gonna bother putting bolts here, just because one, I don't want to rip out the carpet to do it, and two, I don't really see the point if it's going to be welded anyway. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get everything nice and flat and minimize the gap. And then we'll go ahead and tack her in. So we just got done welding up the back half, and I mean, for a guy who just does it here and there, it's not too terrible. It's not the greatest, but it'll hold, I'm sure. So now we'll just go ahead and do the front. got done on the front side now. So there she be. Again, not the prettiest welds in the world, but I'm confident that they will probably hold. So let me get up. So this side is pretty much done then. So I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the other side. I do want to show that I did end up taking the carpet back, just because right about there is where that front side's getting welded, so I didn't want to catch that stuff on fire. So take note of that. I'll do the same on the other side. But yeah, otherwise I'll just cut to another clip of prepping the other side and bang that out. So we just got done with the passenger side here, and there she be. This side was a little more difficult. There's a little more gap to fill, and then obviously I can't really do much about all that extra stuff there in the center. So I just went ahead and went as complete as I could. Show you the back here too. So yeah, definitely not pretty, but she should hold. So, and it's not like I'm gonna be throwing a bunch of power at this thing, but that project is pretty much done. Overall, the connectors from Jegs were all right. They weren't the best fitting. I had to do a little bit of massaging and cutting and bending to get them to fit, but not too bad. But yeah, nothing else going on, so I'm gonna end it off here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.